Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar on empowering data-driven decision making through data observability. My name is Avinash Singh. I work as a pre-sales manager at Rakuten. I have around 10 years of work experience working in various roles in data. I have worked in data engineering, data analyst, data architect, and now I'm working in data observability. Based on my overall experience in data domain, today I'm going to talk about empowering data-driven decision making through data observability. In this webinar, we will quickly introduce you to the data observability before jumping into how AI can help your data observability. Then we will discuss about what is AI's role in observability and behind the scene how exactly it works, how exactly it goes through your data and perform the required action to set up observability on your assets. So, what is data observability? Everyone have a different perspective about the data observability. As per my experience, the data observability is like having a superpower for your data, letting you see deep into your data ecosystem, spot the issues before they become problem, and keep everything running smoothly and reliably. It's the ultimate way to ensure your data is always in top shape and ready to derive insights. So with data observability, you can always be 100% sure about your data, the data which you are going to use in your reports, AI/ML jobs, exporting to the third party systems. Everything should be in place, in correct, and what is the accuracy percentage of it. So why it matters? Data observability is more than just monitoring your data pipelines. It's about having a comprehensive understanding of your entire data landscape. As data become more central to business operations, ensuring its quality, reliability, and availability is crucial. However, traditional monitoring approach which we usually follow to monitor the jobs or the tables or the pipelines often fall short, especially in complex distributed environment. This is where the concept of data observability comes in, provide you with the tool and insights needed to proactively manage and improve your data systems. And with the data observability, we are here to solve all the challenges you might be facing with your data ecosystem, like data silos, lack of real time visibility, and complexity of modern data environments. What is AI's role in observability? AI is revolutionizing data observability by automating complex monitoring tasks and providing deeper insights into your data systems. Techniques like anomaly detection and predictive analytics allow you to not only detect issues but also foresee potential problem before they arises. What is the result of that? So, with that, there is a more proactive, efficient, and intelligent approach to data observability without any manual efforts. Without any manual efforts, we can eliminate the human errors, knowledge of the data ecosystem, or SMEs needed for data observability. And now we would dig little deeper into how to apply AI based monitor and what should be the sequence as well. So as soon as any data problem arises, how we backtrack it in a similar way we have designed AI based observability as well. So as soon as any issue arises, we try to go into the table or asset and try to see what exactly happened, then try to backtrack it a little into the columnar level, then job level, and keep on going till we're able to find the root cause of the issue. So in our AI based observability, we also start from table level and then go a level deeper into column for data distribution issues and then move to the jobs like ETL or orchestrator. It gives you comprehensive observability through AI. How we do it is every matrix is time series matrix for us, which we store, and then we analyze your historical pattern and identify anomalies and find correlations between them. This is how our AI monitor analyze your data, set the rules as per your expectations, and give you the outputs. One of the most powerful feature of our AI infused observability solution is the ability to monitor automatically volume, and freshness of your data tables. So let's break this down. Automatic monitors. What is automatic monitors? Our system continuously tracks the volume of data being ingested and the freshness of this data, meaning how current it is relative to when it was generated. This is crucial because deviation in volume or data staleness can signal potential issues such as pipeline failure, data loss, or delay in data updates. So, with this, we can identify and raise anomalies for any these kind of issues. And then we will come to dynamic range. What makes our approach unique is how we use AI to establish a dynamic range of normal values for these matrices. By analyzing historical data trends, our AI model learn what's normal for each specific table individually, considering factors like time of the day of the week, or even seasonal variations like festivals, sales, and these kind of things. This allows the system to be highly adaptive, unlikely any static threshold, which may not account the natural fluctuation. So we are not applying any static model to capture the threshold of your data. This is the AI job which sits and reads the pattern how you are using your data in day-to-day basis in live scenarios. We are not looking for any sort of input from the user end to be provided to our AI ML job to set up the observability. We just want the input as in on which asset you want to apply it. That's it. And this is how it will go in and specify the threshold as per the pattern of reading writing the data and then applies the rule. After that comes the proactive alerts. So alerts are also very important. As we have seen in our data ecosystem, there are thousands of alerts which are getting generated on day-to-day basis, and then it's alert fatigue and a lot of alerts are coming in. You are not able to identify which is the correct one, which is not the correct one, and all those problem also arises. So with an automated monitor, when the volume or freshness of a table falls outside this dynamic derived range, the system automatically triggers an alert. This proactive notification enables you to address potential issues before they escalate into major problems, breaches the SLAs, or create any business losses, thus ensuring the reliability and timeliness of your data. Now we will discuss about how AI powered monitor work for column level integrity. Our AI powered observability does not just work at table level, it also dives deep into your data column to ensure their integrity. As part of that, we have a different concept. We will walk you through each and every one of them. The first one is uniqueness monitor. So what we mean by the uniqueness? So uniqueness is basically unique kind of record which you have in your particular asset on your particular table. So we monitor the cardinality of the column. So for example, if your order table suddenly shows a spike in unique products from 10% to 50%, our system raise an alert and help you detect potential data issues. So with that, what can be done is if you are expecting this kind of value, then that is fine. But if you are not expecting this kind of value, so that you would be proactively alerted and you will be ready with your reporting or in your AI ML or data scientist job to expect these kind of values to be there. Then comes the completeness tracking. So completeness is also very important while you are working with your data, because the data is not complete, the reports or the AI ML or the data science job which you are running on your data also doesn't make a lot of sense. So we monitor null values very closely, and as example, if a column that usually have 2% null value rates suddenly jump to 8%, we flag it as a potential problem, so you can address the issue before it escalates. So this is all a very interesting null check. This is not the kind of a null check which you can apply on the table and then just keep on tracking if there is any null values get inserted. This is the kind of null check in which you are expecting null values to be there in your table, but the percentage of that null value should not cross a specific threshold that it starts impacting your reports or your AI ML or data sciences jobs. So this is one of the checks which we perform. Then we will move to distribution analysis. Our AI constantly analyzes the distribution of numerical data as well. If there is an unexpected shift in key matrices like mean or maximum value, such as average order value jumping from $50 to $100, you will be notified right away, so that you can go in and see, oh, this is something which you are expecting, or this is something which needed to be looked at. Then comes the validity check. So in validity check, string columns are checked for compliance with specific formats, like ensuring email address are valid, or that numerical field contains only the expected data types or not. If the check starts to fail, a system raises an alert and prevent bad data from affecting your downstream process. As soon as any of the issue happen in your source system, we send you the anomaly in real time, near real time scenario, so that you can get notified and stop the downstream processes from affecting your data warehouses or data lake if needed. This behind the scene AI analysis ensures that your data remains accurate and reliable all the time. So this is about column level integrity. Now let's discuss about AI powered monitoring for job execution timing and job execution. In addition to monitoring table volume and freshness and column integrity, our AI capabilities extend to monitoring job execution time, particularly for the complex data pipeline managed by the tools like Airflow, Matillion, and others. So let's move to automatic monitoring. What is automatic monitoring? The execution time for each pipeline job is critical, as delay or unusually fast completions can indicate underlying issues. So if there is a delay in your pipeline or the job or the ETL tool, it can be due to several different kind of reasons. So there might be huge amount of data which have came in and it is taking a lot of time to load it into your data warehouse or data lake, or it can be due to some sort of resources issue with your pipeline or others. And when it completed very fast, that also indicate to a specific set of problems, whether it's a bottleneck in data processing or a failure to execute certain steps. So AI system learn from historical execution time to establish what is considered normal for each specific job. So with the AI monitor, you don't have to give any sort of input for any job, like okay, this is the expected time for this job to run. No, with our AI job, we automatically reads the historical data pattern and figure out okay, this is the standard time for your job to be executed. This analysis considered past trend and variances as well, allowing the system to set a tailored baseline for each pipeline. This is especially important in environments where execution time can vary due to factors like data volume or external dependencies on third party systems, applications, or other things. So, on top of that, we do anomaly detection. So, let's discuss how we do it and how we achieve that. If a job takes significantly longer or shorter than the AI predicted range, an alert is automatically generated. It easily detect mechanism gives you the opportunity to investigate and resolve the issue before they impact downstream process, maintaining the overall health and efficiency of your data pipeline. So as soon as our observability tool sees your data loading time is going out of the threshold value or the pattern which have been analyzed by the AI job, it quickly notifies you and send you the notification. Together, these AI-driven monitor capability ensure that your data workflow remains smooth and reliable, reducing the need of constant manual oversight, allowing your team to focus on high-value tasks. So you don't want your team to keep on sitting and see the execution time of the jobs, how much time it is taking, if it is getting stuck, is it creating any kind of notification or not, specific stakeholders are in loop or not, what is happening with the job. If it have failed few days back and no one have looked into it manually, it can cause very big business issues or very big business problems, what we have seen with the data world, especially with the ETL jobs and the pipeline. So with this AI powered job execution time monitoring, we can monitor and mitigate all these kind of issues and detect them as soon as they occur, so that you are not sitting on the stale data for 2 3 days or weeks without knowing if it is the correct or not. This is why we need data observability with AI powered monitor. Let's discuss how to implement these AI based monitor in your organization, which we are discussing from quite few slides. Our data observability framework provides a robust foundation for implementing AI-based monitoring across your organization. It starts with a comprehensive understanding of your data ecosystem, ensuring that all critical data points are accounted for. The framework is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your organization's specific needs. Whether you're working with a batch or a streaming process or a solution integrates seamlessly to provide consistent monitoring across your entire data landscape. We have automated key tasks like metadata discovery, ensuring that your data assets are continuously identified and cataloged without any manual intervention. On top of that, framework automatically captures runtime execution results for pipeline like Airflow, Matillion, and others, analyze this data to detect anomalies and optimize performances. To keep you informed, our solution offer flexible reporting options, allowing you to generate detailed reports on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis as needed. This comprehensive approach ensures that your data monitoring is both efficient and driving better decision making across your organization. So with our data observability platform, you can see everything happening with your each and every asset on day to day basis. And as I said, there are multiple dashboarding options as well if you want to compare how it is performing today as per the last week, last month, or last year, whatever window you are setting it up. You can do that comparison then and there itself on the UI. You don't have to toggle between different platforms for that. Now I would like to conclude this webinar. So the conclusion from my side would be leveraging AI to achieve end-to-end observability from monitoring data assets to columnar level health and optimizing your job performance, all by AI jobs without any manual intervention. We can keep tracking key business matrices tailored for your implementation. This is how AI help in data observability platforms to maintain them, monitor them, and provide you the best insight needed to run your business, which are heavily relying on your data. If you need any more details regarding Rakuten 6 and data observability, you can reach out to our webpage. Thank you.